Hello everyone who watched this video tutorial. Today I will show you how to make easy to crochet edge. Let's look at my example. This trim consists of chain and slip stitch. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's look at the back side. In this case, I used this edge for my flower. Let's begin. For work you need a ball of yarn and a crochet hook. Before a row of edge, I did a row of double crochet stitches. Here how it looks. I turn the work. I remind you this is very simple edge. You can use it for decoration, small elements, or just big project. Let's crochet. For this, make a chain, insert the hook into the next stitch, make a slip stitch. Continue, make a chain, insert the hook into the next stitch, make a slip stitch. Chain, insert the hook into the next stitch, make a slip stitch. Continue, make a chain, insert the hook into the next stitch, make a slip stitch. I have done 4 stitches. Here how my trim looks like. In this case I used this trim in the flower. If you like this flower, the link on this flower can be found in our description, in the description of the video. I have done a row of the trim edge. Here how it looks. This is the back side. In most of cases, such trim always confuse with reverse single crochet. In my case, this trim a little bit stretchy. This trim consists of chain and slip stitch. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow us in social media. Thanks for watching.